Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide your number for outgoing calls. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to hide your number for outgoing calls, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your phone app. Now, once you're on your phone app, just click on these three dots here, then click on settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for supplementary services. Select this. And here you have to wait for a few seconds until it's completely load, and then you might be able to edit your caller ID. So just wait for a few seconds. Now once the loading complete, you have to select show caller ID for your sim 1 or your sim 2. I'm going to select for sim 1, click on it, and here just click on never. Now once you have selected never, no one can get your phone number or your caller ID on outgoing calls. So in this way, you can easily hide your number for outgoing calls and your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.